Well, we're off the bus for about 10 minutes just to do a little walkabout. There's a little beach here. A couple of trees. Emily Bay, site of the first settlement cemetery. And you can stop the vid if you want to read that and see what it says. There's another plaque down here you can stop and stop the vid, and if you want to read that. And we got little storyboards here. Yeah, all about the colonial settlement burial ground here. Gone but not forgotten. Yeah, look at these trees here. Oops, sorry. Look at these trees here. Look at the bark on this here. Yeah, these are Norfolk pines, I believe. You see the way the needles are. They're kind of weird looking. Almost like little palm needles or something. But you got picnic tables. You could have yourself a little snack out here. You know, where everybody having a walkabout. There's a little plaque. We'll check that out. After we take a look at the beach, there's some people in the water, I believe. Nice little beach, clear water there. And we got Emily Bay, Turtle Bay, how Emily got her name. Public Works and outrigging on Norfolk Island. And here you go. This is it here. People down on the beach, catching some rays, doing a little bit of swimming there and everything. Yeah, here we go. People in the water up there, you can see them, yeah. People swimming there, okay. Alright, here's another one here. Try to get the shadow off here. This tree was planted to commemorate the visit to Norfolk Island by the descendants of convicts group in the memory of its members' convict ancestors who were transported to the island June 1998. Well, they weren't transported to the island, but the ancestors maybe were transported here in 1998. And this one here is just some kind of a marker, nothing on there. But yeah, coming out here. Getting a little warmer now. I could have my shorts on this afternoon, I think. I just got my t-shirt. And yeah.
It looks like we're loading from this side.
Yeah, the Orion is out there.
How about that?
Our ship is out there. You can see out in the sea out there. Yeah, there she is. Way out there. Oh, ship out there somewhere. There you go. Alright. And oh, by the way, I forgot to reset my camera time because it's 1 hour later here. So you have to add 1 hour on for this video. I'll set it when I get back on the ship for this afternoon. But I don't know what this guy is. Hopefully there'll be a sign here. Signpost up ahead. And we'll see what it says here. Oh, this was the salt house she was talking about here. Ah, old salt house. 1/2 ounce of salt a day. 2-step process. Ruin, you can stop the vid if you'd like to go through that and read all about it. So we're going to take a look up here. I got a few minutes left before I gotta get my bod back on the bus. The salt house. There we go. Inside the salt house here. There you go. They had to, I guess, have some heat to help it evaporate because it's too moist down here for natural evaporation of seawater. So that's probably what that is, I would guess. I would guess, because she did mention something about that it wasn't natural evaporation, so some kind of contraption or whatever here, I don't know. But there's a ship still out there tooling around. Here's the back of this guy. On this side here, still on Norfolk Island. This is still a salt house here. Yeah, look at that. There you go. Looks like a big chimney or something there. All right. There we go. Come back around here. Get back here. Look at these trees here. These Norfolk pines. These trees are huge. Huge trees. Look at this. We're taking a look up close. This tree. Look at the bark on this. This thing is solid. I don't know how many years old it would be. I guess hundreds of years. Yeah. Really something here. Okay. Back to the old bus here, I guess. Here it looks like they got a little runoff here that would go down to the ocean here. So I presume it's water coming out or maybe going in. I'm not quite sure on that. We'll go across the bridge here, see what it looks like on the other side. All right. Well, there's where it just was over there. You can see down in there that water. And this is on the other side of the bridge. And you can see the water here. So I'm presuming it's coming down here and going out to sea. So maybe this was runoff from toilets or, you know, something or other. Who knows here? Drainage, I guess. Looks like there's some Polynesian history here too. It talks about Norfolk Island's Polynesian history. And you can stop the video if you'd like to read that. And find all about the Polynesian visitors. And here. And there's Hawaii up there, Easter Island, New Zealand, and Norfolk Island is over here. There's a little reflection off of that. But yeah, Emily Bay Polynesian Settlement Site. Give it a try, give you some shade there. Okay.